This is an iMetal-530B BD Upright Metallographic Microscope, manufactured by Microsize Precision Instrument Company. There are two switches on the side. Below is the power switch, and above is the light switch. There are two buttons that can adjust the direction. The above part is for adjusting the longitudinal direction. The following is the adjustment for the lateral direction. The large shaft is for coarse adjustment. The small shaft is for fine adjustment. Adjust to the appropriate position. The two eyepieces can adjust the inner pupillary distance, and you can move them left and right to do so. Pull out the push-pull rod to use the camera. Open the interface cover to connect the industrial camera. By sliding this button left and right, you can adjust the brightness of the light. The conversion mirror can be rotated as needed to select the appropriate objective lens. This is the button for adjusting the light box. In most cases, no adjustment is necessary.